Hello guys, this is your host Momentum, and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. So mostly in our videos we explain the logic behind the movement of the market, the educational videos, and you can subscribe us. This will be very beneficial for you. So as you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold, and let's take a look from monthly candle in detail. So this is the daily candle. Let's switch to 1 month candle. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 1 month chart, and I explained you in my last video what is three soldier body pattern. So if some members are new, I can explain them. I can explain three. Suppose we have three big green candles. Let's say this is a green candle. Okay, let's change its color to green. So okay, this is one bullish candle, this is the second bullish candle. Okay, so this is the third bullish candle. This is a three soldier body pattern, and this similar pattern is also followed by gold. As you can see on your screen, we have three big bullish candles, and the main feature is the fourth one. Let's suppose we have three big bullish candles or three big bearish candles, then the fourth candle will also be same as the previous three. For example, let's suppose we actually have three candles. So these are the three candles, big bullish candles. The fourth candle is also green. Okay, this is the example number one of big three soldier body pattern. Okay, so let me find more example here. Find one more. These are the three bullish candles, and the fourth candle is also green. This is the perfect example of my words that I am saying to you. If we have three bullish candles, the fourth candle will also be bearish. Sorry, if we have three bearish candles, the fourth candle is also bearish. Let's suppose we have three candles. No, suppose we actually have three candles. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so there are three candles here. The fourth candle is also red. Similarly, we have again three red candles here. The fourth candle is also red. I have given you the many examples of this structure. This is just a simple structure. It can be, fortunately the market can form three bullish candles. The feature is in the fourth candle. Let's say if there are three candles in the bullish or in the bearish side, then the fourth candle will also be the same that we have the previous ones. Okay, this is a three soldier body pattern formation in which we have three big bearish or bullish candles. The next candle will also be the same according to the previous three ones. Okay, so here the good luck, the fortunate thing is that we have already three big bullish candles according to 1 month chart, but the fourth one is red. Don't worry, we have just 5 days in April, and I guess so, I hope so, this candle will also end as green. Okay, so three red candles. Let's suppose the scenario number 2 in the three soldier candles. Suppose this is the candle number 1. Okay, and this is the candle number 2. Okay, and this is the candle number 3. Suppose the fourth candle is red one, like that. We have same three bullish candles, but the fourth candle is red. Then the fifth candle will continue the structure. Okay, if we have three green candles, four candle is red, then the fifth candle will be a bullish candle to complete the structure. This is a perfect completeness of a structure. So then we will have a big bullish green candle once again for the completeness of the structure. If the fifth candle is not green, then this setup is failed. Means we have to wait for 5 months to follow this structure. Okay, let me show you with the help of an example. Let's suppose, let me find an example. Yeah, I have find one. We have 3 big bullish candles here, as you can see on your screen. The next candle is green, is not green. We have 3 green candles, but the next candle is finished as red. Then the fifth candle is finished as green. I am saying anything with the help of an example, and I am quoting many examples here. I have one more example to show you. There are 3 big bullish candles. The fourth candle, as you can see, is red, and the fifth candle is also green. So this is a perfect setup of 3 soldier bullish 3 soldier body pattern. And here we have 3 candles, 3 big candles as well, and we have only 5 days in April, as the time during the recording of this video according to the my country is 2 a.m. 6 April, sorry, 6 April 2 a.m. Okay, I have shown you one more thing, that let's suppose you have 3 candles and I was making a wick in the 3 candles. Let me show you with the help of an example once again. Suppose this is the 3 candle, and if you have noticed, I don't think so you have, if you have noticed, you can rewind the video. There was a wick in the first example like that. Why this was a wick? If you remember or notice, then there are 3 wicks I have already drawn in my first example, as you can see. So these wicks means if we have a big bullish soldier formation here, the first candle is end as like that. If that we have present already, the second candle will give wicks in the center of the previous candle. Okay, the third one will also form wicks according to the previous candle. And now, as you can see, we have big candle. The market will fall on the half of the big bullish candle, and the market has fell. Actually, the market has fell, and now this is the perfect example as I can quote you. And if you are watching the video without any cutting, you will be very amazed to know that the gold is going to up once again. Okay, so this is a monthly chart, and as you know, monthly chart is a long chart, so we have to wait to know. I just want to explain this minute detail so you can learn as well as earn, because if you will learn, then you don't find any master for signaling the copies, for charts, for etc. You can record the video, you can analysis the chart like I am doing right now. I am a doctor and I am still doing this because I love this job. Okay, let's remove this and move to daily chart. According to the daily chart, if you are a regular watcher of my video, I once draw a trend line, and I told you I am not going to leave this trend line, as this is the perfect setup I have right now, and I can earn thousands of dollars just because of this video. Okay, this is a perfect trend line, and I told you many days ago when market was rejecting here, I told you the market is rejected here successfully, and now it will be bullish. I have found one more example of my example. Here are also 3 big bullish candles. The fourth candle is red and the fifth candle is green. Perfect example of a setup. If you will find, or if you can apply only one strategy, only one, you can earn thousands. When will you lose? When you try to switch from one strategy to another strategy, or when you try to follow signals from one master to second master to third master, then you will get confused and you will become just a copycat. Put the stop loss, put the TP, no imagination, no any critical thinking before applying the buy or selling. So this is the perfect example. If you can learn, you can earn as well. Okay, let's come to our topic once again. The video is already 10 minutes long and we have to cover H4 and H1 as well. Okay, so if we are going to draw a structure like that, and let's make it red. So if there is, now we have two zones here. First of all, there is a trend line, the most important trend line, and second the red zone. The red zone is very important, as that's, I think, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 candles reject this zone. That's why if one candle reject the zone, two candle, three candle, the zone is becoming stronger zone, the zone is becoming a strong zone. How support and resistance are formed? Have you ever think? Just because the hitting of the zone, one candle hitting the zone, second, third, there is no breakage, only hitting the zone like that. The gold only hitting the zone, and it gave a bullish move from 3015 to 3165, almost $150 plus move just in 3 days. Not I am saying this, the chart itself is saying this. So this zone is very important, number one. Second number, we have the most important trend line. If I am going to take a trade, then I am going to hit this hit this setup. This is a perfect setup. Just enter a trade here from 3018. Just put your stop loss 2985. It will be almost $30+ stop loss, but don't look for the stop loss, look at the risk reward ratio. And what is the target? Let me show you. Normally you will find the target 3151, but if I will take a trade here, then I am going to take the stop loss, take the target from this zone, which is almost 3215. Today 6 April, when I am recording the video, the gold is on 3036, and next time when I will record the video, the gold might have crossed its all-time high, and we can see it in a long buy. Why? Because one more structure is formed here, triangle pattern, and triangle pattern is very important. I am not just switching the strategy, I am just showing you that here we can also apply a trend line structure. If I forget the previous one, the support and resistance one, if I follow this only setup, trend line pattern, triangle pattern, then this setup is also valid. I am not switching the strategies, I am just guiding you. Okay, so one more structure we have right now, so let's remove this. This is the first buy zone we have right now. This is a strong zone. I don't think so market can break this. If it will break this, then it will be a rapid fire movement. The gold will hit the stop loss of the buyers and will give a abrupt move. Okay, so keep in mind, if you are going to buy from this zone, make your stop loss wider. Okay, if you don't want to put any stop loss, then follow money management. Basically, I don't put any stop loss, I follow money management. I have one buy gold, one trade in buy from, I think, 3100, 70 pips from above side, and I will close this trade in profit, inshallah, maybe in the coming week or maybe 2 weeks after. Okay, so let's move to H4. The video is getting very long, 14 minutes already. So according to the H4 structure, we have two zones, first of all, this trend line. Sorry, I got confused. Okay, so first of all, we have this trend line, and second we have this trend line. According to the zone, this is the perfect movement of the gold: selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, and now we will have buying, 50% retracement, selling, then buying. If you will see the structure, then there is a formation of 3 W patterns. Okay, W pattern. If you can see, we have one W pattern here. Where is the pencil? Okay, this is one W pattern, this is second W pattern, and this is the third W pattern. I have given you the examples of 3 patterns in this short video: 3 soldier, support and resistance, trend line, regression channel, and this is the 5th one, W pattern channel. Okay, so according to the zone, we will have 2 parallel trend lines right here. So according to the zone, let me form it randomly because the structure is not following. Okay, first off, we have a trend line here. Second, we have a zone here, and market is going to retest this zone. And if I am going to buy the zone, my first target will be this resistance level, which is almost 3055, and my second target will be this resistance 3096, and third one will be its all-time high. So at the end, I am just going to apply a Fibonacci retracement level to find the next areas. I am not talking blindly, I will talk to you with facts and figures. We have a buying from this level. Okay, we have buying from this level. Apply, click one button to this, and then came lowest target. Okay, let's find one more example. That's a perfect. According to the Fibonacci retracement level, the next target will be 3095. 3095, almost 60 pips away from that point. The second target will be 3143. Sorry, there is a yellow mark, and as you know, yellow is a light color. So the third target is 3183, and the fourth target will be 3222. Okay, so this is all about gold. Let's move to H4 for a quick rapid fire, so we can try to analyze. You know why gold fall? The video is almost very lengthy, and if I am going to tell you that, it will be more. So let's try why gold is found, why gold fell. This is a perfect example of support and resistance. As you can see, the market was having a buy pattern from 3112, 3122, and once market break this structure, as you can see, one market break this structure, gave closing below the zone, then it break the zone, gave closing below the zone, same this structure. And here I have found one more example of 3 soldier body pattern. This is one of the best structures, and I have learned lot of dollars just because of this strategy. So according to H4, this is the first zone we have right now, and we need a strong bullish engulfing pattern. So if there is a strong bullish engulfing pattern, I am going to buy this from that level, which will be 3100. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram Telegram channel. This was all about gold. Don't panic, this is just a regular selling. Don't panic, don't blow your account. Just take one entry in the buy, and you can hold this buy entry for a year. Gold is going to hit 3500 very soon, just because of tariff. 103 years ago, there was increase in the tariff 20%, and that day is considered as a black day in the history of US. 20% tariff, and now the Trump removed the 20% policy. Now there is a 29% tariff. That day, then tariff was 20%, was a black day, and now we have tariff to 29%. You can imagine the market where Bitcoin and gold is going. Huge buying is coming. Don't be silly, don't open big lots, just open one lot on every support, take buy entry for example 3018, take buy entry. If market break the zone, hold, take one more buy entry from 3065 2965. This is also best zone for buying according to the Fibonacci retracement also. Don't be foolish, don't make over trade, just take one trade from every zone and you can hold the trade till 3010. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion